Welcome to our exploration of legal methods, focusing on the principles of legal interpretation. In this video, we'll delve into the foundational concepts that govern how laws are interpreted and applied. Our journey will cover key doctrines, court hierarchies, and the nuances of statutory interpretation. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how legal principles are applied in real-world scenarios. Let's begin our journey into the world of legal interpretation.
Laws can be categorized into various types, each serving a distinct purpose within the legal system. Common law, statutory law, and regulatory law are some of the primary categories. Each type of law has its own method of development and application, impacting how legal principles are interpreted. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for grasping the broader legal landscape. In this chapter, we'll explore how these types of law interact within the legal framework.
The hierarchy of courts is a fundamental aspect of the legal system, dictating how legal decisions are made and appealed. At the top, we have the Supreme Court, followed by appellate courts and lower courts. Each level has specific roles and responsibilities, influencing how legal principles are interpreted and enforced. Understanding this hierarchy is essential for comprehending how legal precedents are established. Let's explore how these courts function within the legal system.
Tribunals play a crucial role in the legal system, providing a platform for resolving specific disputes. They operate alongside traditional courts, offering specialized expertise in areas like employment and immigration. The structure of tribunals can vary, but they generally follow a hierarchical model similar to courts. This chapter will examine how tribunals are structured and their role in legal interpretation. Understanding tribunals is key to appreciating the full scope of the legal system.
Stare decisis, a Latin term meaning to stand by things decided, is a cornerstone of legal precedent. This doctrine ensures consistency and predictability in the law by obligating courts to follow established precedents. In practice, this means that once a court has decided on an issue, future courts are bound to follow that decision. This chapter will delve into the intricacies of stare decisis and its impact on legal interpretation. Let's explore how this principle shapes the legal landscape.
While closely related, precedent and stare decisis are distinct concepts in legal interpretation. Precedent refers to past judicial decisions that serve as a guide for future cases, while stare decisis is the doctrine that mandates adherence to those precedents. This chapter will explore the differences between these two concepts and their implications for legal interpretation. Understanding these nuances is crucial for navigating the complexities of the legal system. Judicial decisions often consist of two parts, the ratio decidendi and obiter dictum. The ratio decidendi is the legal reasoning behind a decision, forming the binding part of the precedent. Obiter dictum, on the other hand, refers to additional comments made by a judge that are not essential to the decision. This chapter will explore these concepts and their roles in legal interpretation. Understanding these distinctions is key to analyzing judicial decisions effectively.
The doctrine of judicial precedent is a fundamental principle in common law systems. It requires courts to follow previous decisions when the facts are sufficiently similar. This doctrine provides consistency and predictability in the law, allowing individuals and businesses to plan accordingly. In this chapter, we'll explore how judicial precedent operates and its significance in legal interpretation. Understanding this doctrine is crucial for grasping the stability it brings to the legal system.
The European Court of Justice, ECJ, plays a pivotal role in interpreting EU law. Under the European Communities Act 1972, decisions of the ECJ are binding on all UK courts in matters of community law. This chapter will delve into the influence of the ECJ on UK legal interpretation and its role in shaping EU law. Understanding the ECJ's impact is essential for comprehending the interplay between UK and EU legal systems.
The House of Lords, now the Supreme Court, was historically the highest court in the UK. It was bound by its own decisions until a change in practice allowed for more flexibility. This chapter will explore how the House of Lords influenced legal interpretation and its legacy in the current Supreme Court. Understanding this evolution is key to appreciating the flexibility and adaptability of the legal system.
The Court of Appeals Civil Division is bound by the decisions of the House of Lords, yet it has some flexibility. It can choose between conflicting past decisions and must follow decisions of the House of Lords. This chapter will explore the role of the Civil Division in legal interpretation and its influence on the development of legal precedents. Understanding its function is crucial for navigating civil legal matters.
The Criminal Division of the Court of Appeal handles appeals in criminal cases, applying stare decisis with some flexibility. This chapter will explore how the division balances the need for consistency with the potential impact on individual liberties. Understanding its role is essential for comprehending how criminal law is interpreted and applied. Let's delve into the unique challenges faced by the Criminal Division.
The High Court is a key player in the legal system, bound by higher courts but influential in its own right. This chapter will explore how the High Court interprets legal principles and its role in shaping legal precedents. Understanding its function is crucial for appreciating the complexities of legal interpretation at this level. Let's examine the High Court's contribution to the legal landscape.
Crown courts handle serious criminal cases with decisions that hold persuasive authority. This chapter will explore how Crown courts contribute to legal interpretation and the development of legal principles. Understanding their role is key to appreciating the broader legal system. Let's delve into how Crown courts influence the application of law in serious cases.
In legal interpretation, precedents can be either binding or persuasive. Binding precedents must be followed, while persuasive precedents can influence but are not obligatory. This chapter will explore the differences between these types of precedents and their implications for legal interpretation. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for navigating the complexities of legal decision-making.
Overruling and reversing are mechanisms by which higher courts can change previous decisions. Overruling occurs when a higher court changes the legal principle established by a lower court, while reversing happens on appeal. This chapter will explore these processes and their impact on legal interpretation. Understanding these mechanisms is key to appreciating the dynamic nature of the legal system.
Per incuriam refers to decisions made through oversight or mistake, which can be disregarded. This chapter will explore the concept of per incuriam and its role in legal interpretation. Understanding this concept is crucial for recognizing when a decision may not be binding. Let's delve into how per incuriam affects the stability and reliability of legal precedents.
Persuasive precedents, while not binding, can significantly influence legal interpretation. This chapter will explore how persuasive precedents are used in practice and their impact on legal decision-making. Understanding their role is key to appreciating the flexibility and adaptability of the legal system. Let's examine how persuasive precedents shape legal outcomes.
Judicial precedent offers several advantages, including consistency, uniformity, and flexibility in the law. This chapter will explore these benefits and how they contribute to a stable legal system. Understanding the advantages of judicial precedent is crucial for appreciating its role in legal interpretation. Let's delve into how precedent enhances the predictability and fairness of legal decisions.
Statutory interpretation involves various rules, including the literal, golden, and purposive rules. Each rule offers a different approach to understanding legislative intent. This chapter will explore these rules and their application in legal interpretation. Understanding these approaches is key to navigating the complexities of statutory law. Let's examine how these rules guide the interpretation of statutes.
The literal rule focuses on the plain, ordinary meaning of words in a statute. This chapter will explore how the literal rule is applied and its impact on legal interpretation. Understanding this rule is crucial for appreciating the precision and clarity it brings to statutory interpretation. Let's delve into the strengths and limitations of the literal rule in practice.
The golden rule modifies the literal rule to avoid absurd outcomes. This chapter will explore how the golden rule is applied and its impact on legal interpretation. Understanding this rule is key to appreciating the balance it offers between literal interpretation and practical outcomes. Let's examine how the golden rule enhances the flexibility of statutory interpretation.
Judges use the mischief rule to address legal ambiguities. This chapter will explore how the mischief rule is applied and its impact on legal interpretation. Understanding this rule is crucial for appreciating its role in achieving legislative intent. Let's delve into how the mischief rule guides judges in interpreting statutes.
Understanding the purposive approach. The purposive approach focuses on the broader purpose of a statute, beyond its literal words. This chapter will explore how the purposive approach is applied and its impact on legal interpretation. Understanding this approach is key to appreciating its role in achieving the legislative intent. Let's examine how the purposive approach guides judges in interpreting complex statutes. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the principles of legal interpretation. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of how laws are interpreted and applied. Stay curious and continue exploring the fascinating world of legal methods.